Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to get home button on iPhone screen. If you're using any iPhone and you want to get home button on your iPhone screen, so let's see how can you do that. You have to simply open your settings app. Very first I recommend you have to check for software updates. So go for general, go for software update, and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending software updates. If you find trying to update your software, then go back and go to accessibility section. And accessibility, just scroll down and look for this touch option. Just select the touch option, and here just select assistive touch. So in assistive touch, you'll get a home button feature. So you must have to enable this. Once you have enabled, just go back, and you will get a black or white circle here on your screen. So you can move this if you want. So just tap on it, and you'll get a home button here. So whenever you're opening any app, so you can easily go to home using this home button. So if you want to disable the setting, you can easily do that by opening your settings app again. Go for accessibility section. Here, go for touch. Go to assistive touch option and disabling this feature. So in this way, you can easily get home button on your iPhone screen. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.